I'm Gautam Kumawat, currently pursuing physiotherapy, Bachelor's of Physiotherapy from JECRC University. Currently, we have clinical postings in Narayana Hospital, where we every day see and treat, observe patient in supervision of experienced physiotherapists.
Nowadays, we are going to Narayana Hospital for clinical training, where we learn so many things about the radiology department, like CT scan, X-ray, and MRI. And we learn how to handle the patient and positioning the patient in CT, MRI, and X-rays.
Today I will be taking you through our 3 labs where we bring our motto of beyond the classroom learning in practice. First, there is the anatomy lab, where we discover the internal structures and we study about the various internal structures through our models. We have physiology lab, where we do all the blood work necessary to ensure that our bodies are in optimum condition. And we have the physiotherapy lab, where we do and practice various exercises and we gain clinical experience.